Today we're making tuna pesto pasta. First, boil a pound of pasta according to the package directions. In a saucepan, melt a tablespoon of butter and saute 4 cloves of garlic. After about a minute, add a cup of pesto and 15 ounces of chunk light tuna. Use your spatula to break the tuna down into smaller pieces. After that's warmed through, add a quarter cup of heavy cream. Then heat until that's warm, about 2 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the heat and add a half teaspoon onion powder, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon ground black pepper, and a quarter cup shredded Parmesan cheese. After the cheese melts, add 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes that have been cut in half and toss those in. Combine the cooked and drained pasta with the sauce in a large pot, stirring to coat the pasta evenly. Add more salt or pepper to taste and serve warm. Garnish with a little fresh basil and you're done. Let me know in the comments if you have any recipe requests, and I'll see you guys next time.